Hi, this is Extreme Meteorologist Reed Timmer. I'm live here at INCHASERCON. We just finished the first day. We had some awesome speakers. Skip spoke earlier. Tomorrow we got some more great speakers as well. Simon Brewer is going to be out here from the old STORMCHASER team. We're talking all things storm chasers, and we're surrounded by an incredible group of people here where we all share the same passion of chasing down storms. Never stop chasing.
Hello, I'm Rage Storms, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I said at the end of my 2020 year-end video, if I could get 30 likes on the video, then I would get Reed Timmer to do an intro for me on this video. Well, I've gotten over 300 Facebook likes. I don't even have that many people subscribed to my channel, so some of you need to start subscribing if you like it that much. Anyway, let's go into my video about the 2021 Indiana CHASERCON. Found myself waking up in Indiana this morning. We're not very far from Minneapolis, but we're not chasing today. We're actually going to the Indiana Storm Chasing Convention. And I just gotta point that blazer out right there with the wingage. Only around here, I guess. Well, we made it here. Some pretty cool chase rides outside already.
Your destination is on the left.
How about that? I just seen Dominator 4. There's Timmer. What a turd. Another Subaru. I wonder if he'll stop long enough. It's Subaru Fest out here.
It's his little one.
I got a Subaru too.
Nice.
A Forester.
Oh, that's wilder.
Look at all those dents.
Well, first off, everybody can hear me okay? Are we good? Awesome. All right. Well, everybody, thanks for coming out to our 10th anniversary Indiana Storm Chasers convention. It's awesome to see such a big crowd here for this event. Panel discussion at 1:30, so we've got several different people, meteorologists, storm chasers, etc., that'll be up here for a panel, and we'll have some questions for them and kind of do some Q&A with them. And that'll last until 2:30, and then at 2:30 we have Skip Talbot is going to be coming in. He's going to kind of present a chase case, and he's going to kind of do a basic severe weather kind of class, if you will. So that'll be at 2:30, and then at 3:30 we will have Reed Timmer here, and he will be doing a presentation. And I don't know if Gizmo's coming. I know we've had a lot of questions if Gizmo's coming. Maybe what we'll do is ask Reed if Gizmo knows the command speak, and we'll have Gizmo come speak next year.
No, it's great to be back. I can't believe it's been 10 years already. So, yeah, thanks to Anton Simon for the title of this presentation. We did not have a good 2021, and I want to talk about that. And I actually think that's a good thing for you guys, because our bad chases are the best learning experiences, in my opinion. So we'll talk a little bit about what went wrong during the 2021 storm chasing season.
Thank you everybody for having me today. I'm here in Indiana. It's definitely one of my favorite places to chase, even though I haven't had very much luck in Indiana for some reason.
So everybody, this is the chief meteorologist at Fox 59 Indianapolis. He's been a friend of mine since I was in my mid-teens, and he's helped me a lot through, just...
Do I get to tell the original story again?
And do you have to?
Yes, I do.
And so I'm just going to introduce, this is meteorologist Brian Wilkes.
Good morning, everybody. Hi. JT called my office one time, a long time ago, when he was a storm chaser. And JT was on the phone, and it was an outbreak, and he called and he said, "Brian, I'm on this storm out here, and and the phone cut out. And we're like, we just lost JT. And to this day, I'm working on television, I'm getting this, and I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, you're kind of, I'm worried about JT. Did he just get wiped out? Did a branch land on him?
I knew he was going to tell me.
You knew I was tied out to not. How can I not tell this to him?
I don't know if you guys can really hear me. My voice isn't here, so I'm like, close. But he told me what it is on. But anyways, he told me what his presentation was going to be. And I had seen some of his footage actually previously before he even told me this. And so I messaged him. I said, so you're going to do a presentation and show a video back when you had here? And his text back was, well, damn you, JT. That's all I said. And
good morning. Hope everyone's doing well. We'll go ahead and start our presentation. We'll first do our introductions. My name is Amber Hardwick, and I'm a meteorologist at Fox 59. I just got off work this morning, so I just came right from work. I typically, you can see me weekend mornings, and then I also fill in quite a bit Monday through Friday between Fox 59 and CBS 4, and then sometimes they throw traffic at me, and I'm like, okay, I'll fill in for that too. So
I also started at Fox in 2018 as the weekend meteorologist. I work at CBS 4 now, so anybody not in town, which we've seen that there are a lot of you, we're a duopoly, so we have two stations in the same building. And back when I was the weekend meteorologist, much like Amber does and did, bounce back and forth between both stations. But at this time, I am the morning meteorologist on 4, so I get the fun, no sleep and full of caffeine like I am this morning. But before that, I worked down in Evansville. Before that, I interned at a couple of stations, one locally here in town, and then also the one in Lafayette where Amber worked. And it's just exciting to be able to do what I love to do every day. So this was a really fun story to put together. You'll notice in here there are a couple of sound bites just from locals who are very unaware of the fact that we can have winter tornadoes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Feel free to ask. I'll try to get back to you, but no promises because we're not chasing them currently. Like I said, we're sitting here just on
Yeah, well, and I haven't changed batteries in a while. So they might like a wind chill of -55.
Hey, how are you?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good. Tell me about Rage Storms.
Sure.
Been chasing for about 10 years, probably a little over.
Good.
And just a little hobbyist.
Hobby, yeah, cool. You chase mostly in Indiana, or do you go outside?
No, I'm actually from Ohio.
I'm stopping by here. Take some NOAA weather radio stickers. It's the official voice of the National
I actually
Weather
have
Service.
this unit right here.
Oh, good.
And then I have the older, or I used to have the older unit. It was gray, about twice as big.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, they've been NOAA weather radio's been in operation now. I think 60 years.
Yeah,
It's,
I'd like to get a second one because I can't hear one in the other end of my house. So, yeah, at some point I'm gonna get a second
one. When it goes off.
Oh yeah.
You know. And we got a pillow shaker, strobe light.
Oh, I didn't know. Well, I knew they had add-ons, but I didn't know that you could get like a pillow shaker.
Yeah, they plug into that external alert port.
Yeah.
So a public alert certified radio has to have battery backup, has to have a certain loudness to the alert, has to have the lights on there, has to have the ability to do external alert and external antenna. So that's how you get that public alert certification.
How much does the lights and stuff cost?
They're about $59, I think, for the two of them. We sell them as a set like that. A lot of emergency managers buy them and they give them out to people.
Yeah.
You know, the deaf and hard of hearing is a very vulnerable population.
Yes.
They generally move slowly. So they need to get the alerts as soon as they're issued. Make sure they get it so they've got that extra time to get to their safe spot. Because they move slower, you know?
Oh yeah. Well, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for supporting the voice of the National Weather Service, NOAA Weather Radio.
Thank you.
If you were having some kind of fluctuation in the wiring from the solar panel, that'll cause all this. Of which I can also get you a new part for that too. But
You can what?
I can get you a new part for that too, because that's usually just this top piece.
Not too bad. How about you?
Good. The rest of the crew hasn't shown up yet.
Yeah. You guys were filming yesterday.
Yes, we were live streaming.
Oh, live streaming?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Will it be archived so I go back to see myself?
Yeah, it should be. You'll have to ask Beth for that though, because we're gonna let Beth decide on where it's
Okay.
going first. So.
That's cool.
Yep.
I talk to Jennifer once in a while.
Oh yeah.
But I don't like know her. This one earlier. 2 more Subarus. It's like becoming fashion to have a Subaru in storm chasing. It's an interesting light on there. I still can't get over that. That's freaking awesome. Just cool. Spray paint on the side and everything. So much stuff.